Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving your data and confirming the Play Store account you used for the beta. Once done, open the Play Store app and go directly to the apps page. You're looking for the testing section that says you're a beta tester. Tap that area now. Don't waste time on general settings. Go straight to that app listing so you can opt out immediately and trigger the switch back toward the stable release. After you leave the beta program, make sure the Play Store acknowledges the opt-out. If it doesn't, uninstall app updates or remove the app entirely to force a clean state. Once removed, clear the Play Store cache and restart the Play Store so it refreshes available builds. Then reinstall the app from its Play Store page. This pulls the current stable version rather than the beta. These steps ensure the system won't keep delivering beta updates. Finish by opening the app and verifying the version in About or App Info. It should match the stable release number. If you still see beta, clear Google Play Services and Play Store data, reboot the device, and repeat leaving the program then reinstalling. Make sure to allow a few minutes for Google's servers to propagate the change. If nothing works, uninstall and sideload the official stable APK.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.